small step in place. Step your feet a little wider than hip width apart and step side to side. Roll the shoulders back and down, and again a few times. And here we're gonna pop the right hip forward, left, right, left. Twice on the right side. Feel you can shake first to just get all loosey-goosey. And now pop on the right. Pop on the left. Right. Right. Mini squat. Keep it fast, but a small range of motion. Pull the belly in. Figure eights with the pelvis, the hips. Just draw a really big circle here. Be as goofy and weird looking as you can be. Ooh. Opposite side. Really go into the muscles. Knee circles. Reverse the direction. Pointing the toes, flexing the foot. Point, flex, point, flex. Opposite side. Circle with the toes. Reverse the circle. Opposite side, circle. Reverse. Bend the left knee and take it out, release. Opposite side. All right, let's pop the chest. Round the back, really round the back. Feel the muscles stretching. Pop it. Pop it, hold it. Circles with the fingertips. Reverse it. Cross your arms behind you. You can groove a little. Keep the chest open.
1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2.
Side step. Lead with the hips. All right. Now, get all loosey-goosey. Just really get into the side ribs and move side to side, wave-like. But instead of moving wave-like back and forth, we're moving side to side, side to side. Really get into the rib cage. Get in, feel the fascia. Reverse the direction, it's gonna feel weird. All right, front and back way. So feel the spine. This is very therapeutic for the spine. Time for the head. Look up, down. Side to side. Keep the chin parallel to the floor. Lower the ear, opposite. Let's swing the arms side to side. Really feel how your spine is letting go of the kinks. It actually takes intention. Without intention, the moves would be worthless. So get in the body, feel it. Really feel the spine, feel the obliques, the muscles, the connective tissue, ligaments, tendons. All right, we're gonna step at the end of the mat, up front of the mat, whichever the front you consider, and we're gonna take a side step and a dunk under. So imagine there is an obstacle here and you're dunking under. Big step. Get your chest straight, parallel to the floor, back straight. It opens the hips in a very fluid way. Dip under. You can bring the arms, lift them. It's a little more challenging with the arms. More core, because you have to hold all of this weight forward. Focus. Couple more. You can get the arms back on the hips. Great. Step at the back of the mat. Forward bend. Walk to the front. Downward dog. Walk in place. Step to the rhythm of the music. Make it fun. Let's walk forward. Small tiny steps, core in, core engaged, and back. And again, forward. Dance, make it a dance move. And back. Bring rhythm into it. Let's take the right leg up and draw circles with the right knee. Reverse the circles. Opposite side, drawing circles in one direction. Reverse it. Plank. Take the left knee into the chest, across to elbow, and back. Same side. Let's go only on one side for 10. 3. Squeeze the belly in. 4. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down dog. Walk your hands to the back. Wrap your wrists around the elbows and hang here. Again, you can sway. Feel the music, feel the back side of your rib cage. Continue tapping into your body no matter what you do in your day, in your yoga practice. Feel the body. It holds the answers to many of your questions. We take it as this crude physical thing and don't give it enough credit for being an instrument for intuition. All right, hands on the floor. Point your toes slightly out. Bend the knees, straighten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a break. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yogic squat. Downward facing dog. Bend the knees and we're gonna draw figure eights with the hips, side to side, twirling the hips.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Reverse the direction.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Great. Walk to the front. Forward bend. Straight back. Come up. Clasp the hands. Round the back. Press the palms of the hands away from you. Open. Reaching to the sides. Round. Open. Reaching. Open. Reaching. Open. Reaching. Great. Side to side. Stepping. And now bring a little softness in the knees. And now a little shoulder. And now a little hands.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Let's lift the heels off the floor and just tap them. Get that beautiful sensation throughout the connective tissue. It's very healing. Do it at a level that's nurturing, that feels nurturing to you. So you can tap gently. And now you can bring the body into the tap. Hips, shoulder.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Side bend.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Side bend. Side bend. Side bend. A few more. Side. Cross reach. Take your left arm across, press to the palm of the hand. Press as if you're pressing the air. Engaging the back muscles. All right, twist, twist, twist. So the core should be engaged here. Step in plie. You can take a breather here. and open the arms out, twist. Let's get the spine youthful and flexible, regenerating. Breathe.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Side to side bends. And lower down, lay down onto your back. Bring the right knee down into the left foot or towards, reverse it. Feel the release in the hips, quadriceps. A few more of those. Move at your own pace.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Let's hug the knees into the chest.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Knee circles.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Reverse them.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
All right, let's synchronize the knees. Drawing circles with the knees. Now reverse the direction.
When you dance on the floor, you know. When you dance on the floor. When you dance on the floor, you know. When you dance on the floor. When you dance on the floor, you know. When you dance on the floor. When you dance on the floor, you know. When you dance on the floor. When you dance on the floor, you know. When you dance on the floor. When you dance on the floor, you know. When you dance on the floor. When you dance on the floor, you know. When you dance on the floor.
Grab the back of your knees and rock a few times back and forth, massaging the spine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hop up. Stepping in place. Tapping the heel in front. Shoulders, elbows. And let's bring the hands over the heart. Big breath into the heart. I hope you feel loosened up and ready for whatever else you're doing today, yoga, ready for your day. And I'll see you very soon with our next class. Let me know how you like this class. Take a big breath and remember to follow strength and ease. Namaste.